How many of you face challenges in terms of your health, wealth, or relationships? Hi, this is Nandakumar, and why I'm asking this question is most of us would be actually facing challenges in only these three areas of our life. It could be in terms of our physical, mental, or emotional health. It could be in terms of your wealth, where it is connected to your career, your job, the business you do, and the money you make. And the third aspect could be in terms of your relationships, where you might be into relationships which are not enhancing your life, which are not enriching your life, and it might be toxic for you, or it might have become stale. These three aspects where we face challenges actually leads to most of the health issues what people face in their lives. Blood pressure, diabetes, you have heart problems, you have high BP, low BP, and you have problems like kidney issues and many other problems, in addition to the mental health issues of stress, tension, anxiety, angriness, and short-temperedness, or all these kinds of things would actually happen because of the previous or the above said issues in terms of health, wealth, or relationships. And many times you would try to solve them by yourself, but you will find that you are not able to. The reason why, because when we get into some issues like this, we get into a mode where our mind cannot think clearly, and we are not able to be directed properly by a mind. There is always a saying, a confused mind cannot guide you properly. So in such confusions, when you have these kind of issues, and if you want to enhance your life, we give something called as a life enhancement therapy. This life enhancement therapy program is to help you, to handhold you, to mentor you, and to guide you into identifying where are the areas you are getting stuck. It helps you understand yourselves better. Then once you understand yourself better, we dig deep and we help you find out your limiting belief systems. Those causes, those emotional causes, or those kind of belief systems which are working inside you, because of which you are facing this kind of problems in your life or difficulties in your life. So once you understand yourself, then we prescribe solutions for you, and we give you tools and techniques which you can use to actually come out of these kind of situations, the challenges what you are facing, and then create a model for yourself so that you can enhance or enrich your life in all these three areas of health, wealth, and relationships. So we understand you, we help you understand yourself, we prescribe for you, and then we handhold you so that you would be able to implement all the prescriptions what we are given to you. So by doing this, what is that you gain? You gain a better understanding of yourself, which will actually help you to solve and address all the issues which you are already facing in your life, and it will also give you the confidence and courage to move forward in life, to flow in life, to grow in life. And so whatever are your problems, your pains, whatever are your fears, and whatever are your apprehensions and anxieties, all of them can be pushed aside, and you can look at to living a life of your dreams. Remember, if you're not growing in life, you're dying. The same thing happens to all of us. So if you're not growing in life, it means that we are dying, and that is not what we are meant for. We are here to live, enhance our life, and enrich our life. And this therapy, the life enhancement therapy, will help you do that. So looking forward to meeting you more, or if you have any questions or doubts, you can contact us. The details are given below, and you can reach out to us for your personalized life enhancement therapy sessions. Thank you so much. This is Nandakumar, your wellness mentor, signing off.